Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create meeting in Zoom using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you need to make sure that you have the application of Zoom in your device. And if you don't have one, just install one by searching it on your browser. Okay. And then once you're done with that, just open your Zoom. And then here, you can create new meeting, join for a meeting, schedule a meeting, or share screen. So if you want to create a meeting, just click this new meeting icon and then just wait. So here you can choose join with computer audio, or then here at the bottom part there's it automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. Okay, and here you have your meeting. So you can rename your profile right by clicking the right click of your mouse, and then here you can rename your profile, edit profile picture, choose avatar, choose video filter, choose virtual background, start a video, or unmute my audio. So if you want to share the link of your meeting conference, just click on participants here at the lower part of your screen. Just click on this up arrow that is facing up, and then click copy invite link and just paste it on your group chat or in any messages that you have. Okay, and then also when you click again on participants, you can see invite. So if you click that here, you can choose from the list or type to filter. So you can search for your contacts, or just choose your email service to send invitation. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.